In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix synchronization error in Google Drive. We'll walk through quick checks in the browser and the desktop app so you can get your files syncing again with minimal fuss. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Drive. When the results appear, make sure you're heading to the official site. The correct link will point to drive.google.com. Avoid lookalike links or ads that don't clearly mention Google Drive. Once you're on the Drive homepage, sign in if you're prompted. Double-check you're using the right Google account, especially if you have more than one, because sync issues often come from switching accounts without noticing. Next, click the Google Apps icon, the small 9-dot grid in the top right corner, and choose Google One. This takes you to your storage dashboard. If your Google storage is full, Drive will stop syncing until you free up space or increase your plan. Look at the breakdown to see what's using your quota. Also be aware that if your computer's local disk is completely full, Drive for Desktop can't sync new files there either. Clearing just enough space on either side is often all it takes to restore syncing. If you suspect the issue is limited to your browser session, click the three-dot menu in your browser and choose Delete Browsing Data. When the dialog opens, set the time range to all time. Select cookies and other site data, then confirm delete data. This will sign you out of websites, so you'll need to log back into Drive afterward. Once you're back in, check whether the sync indicators in Drive look normal and whether recent changes are reflected. If you're using the Google Drive desktop app, click the Drive icon in your taskbar on Windows or the menu bar on Mac OS. Choose Pause Syncing, wait a few seconds to let the app fully pause, and then select Resume Syncing. This quick toggle often clears a stuck queue. If it's still stuck, click the Drive icon again, open the Gear menu, and select Quit. Then relaunch Google Drive from your computer's applications list so it starts fresh. As a final reset, disconnect and reconnect your account. Open the Drive app preferences from the Gear icon, go to Preferences, click the gear inside that window, locate your account, and choose Disconnect Account. Reopen Drive, sign back in, and let it run a fresh sync. Give it a moment, especially if you have a large library. That's it. Follow these steps in order, and you should see Google Drive syncing smoothly again.